Assalamualaikum and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'll show you how to make these beautiful sparkly slides. So we need a pair of slides, any adhesive of your choice and crystals. So I got these black iridescent kind of crystals. You can get them in whatever color you want, just make sure they sparkle a lot. Alright, so we can do it two ways. The first being कि एक एक क्रिस्टल को लिया जाए और वन बाय वन उसे हम पेस्ट करते रहें और सारी ज़िंदगी इसी काम में गुजारते हैं. आई मीन देयर इज़ नथिंग रॉन्ग इन डूइंग दैट, लेकिन बहुत टाइम कंज्यूमिंग है. बट इफ़ यू फील लाइक डूइंग इट, इफ़ यू लाइक एवरीथिंग टू बी अलाइंड इन प्लेस, इट्स टोटली फाइन, गो फॉर इट. बट इफ़ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर एन ईजी वे आउट, take the crystals in your hand and just throw them on randomly. I know, right? It's more sane, it makes much more sense, and this is the style we're going for anyway. So here is what we are going to do. And this ugly something, it's just glue, nothing else. Alright, now take your adhesive and apply it in a small portion first. And that's because we want the glue to be as wet as possible, so that when we throw the crystals on, they stick properly. Alright, now take the crystals in your hand and throw them on the glue. Just make sure you cover the glue properly with the crystals, and you don't want your glue to dry, so make sure you hurry up. So this is how it looks once I'm done covering the glue with the crystals. And now we need to do this so that the crystals that have not stick properly, they may fall down. Now we just need to repeat this process until we are done. So apply the glue again and make sure you apply a very generous amount of glue. Now cover all this glue with crystals as we did before, like that, and just keep repeating this process until it's done. So this is how it's looking once I've completed it. And these crystals, they reflect the light so beautifully. The bling they produce is just wow. And once you're done, don't forget to press the crystals down. This is gonna make sure that they don't fall here and there when you'll walk in them. And here's the other one. I'll repeat the very same process on it as well. And look at these blingy beauties. I am so in love with them. Now for the final step, take a clear lacquer spray. Spray 2 to 3 generous coats of lacquer on the crystals. Because I know it sounds very fascinating when they say that she leaves the sparkle wherever she goes, but trust me, if that happens literally, it's not gonna look that good. So spray it well to make sure that nothing comes off. And don't worry about these little drops, they're gonna vanish once it dries. And this is the finished product and I am in love with it. Now let me very quickly show you how to make another pair of crystal slides, and this one is even more easier than the first one. So this is a silicone sheet in my hand with crystals on it, and it's very easily available in the market. Cut it true to the size of your slides and paste it on with your adhesive, and that's it. And that's it for this video too. I loved making both these slides, and as far as I'm concerned, I love pretty much everything that sparkles, but I would love to hear from you guys, which one do you like the most. And if you guys like this video, please give a thumbs up and don't forget subscribing.